Tao po! Tao po!
Ah!
Tao.
There you go. Okay, galore. It's still working. Woot, woot, woot.
Oh. Yeah, it's a nice light up there.
Yan ang aming bahay.
Huh?
Konting-konti na lang sa labas and then landscaping. And then our carport on the right side. We need to have lights also on the carport. Floodlights. But ito na po yung almost kabubo. Ito na po yung almost kabuo. Oh my gosh. The entirety of our house. And of course, we still have to add a little bit of sidings here and there. But after that, we're done. What about my roses, huh?
The blue tarp too.
Yeah, the blue tarp. Well, that's dance. So, ginagamit niya yan sa pag-install ng stone veneer over there. Kung makikita nyo, stone veneer. There you go. Yan. So, pagpuputo. And then, yeah, gray sidings on the top of the stone veneer. Katulad niyan. Tapos na yung aming ceiling made of cedar wood. Tapos, yan na. Ang aming munting bahay. Woohoo! I cannot wait until we finish everything. But for now, yan yung sinabi ko sa inyo guys, na binili ko yan lahat-lahat ng $150. So, hindi pala $60 each yan guys. Nasa board, when we look at the roses there, I think it was 50, right? Not 60?
At what?
The roses at Home Depot.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, yung mga maliliit was like in the 30s. Tapos yung malalaki talaga in the 50s. So yan, so 50 yan kada isa, excluding yung mahal yung mga bases na ginagamit nila. So nasa 580 lahat-lahat niyan plus tax. So 580 times 53. Ganon kamahal ang mga halaman dito guys. So yan, and look at my yellow flowers, yellow roses. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, are you going to switch off the light now?
Yeah. Yes, I will.
Okay. Tapos ito ay hindi na babalik yung contractor namin na pasaway. So it's okay kasi he is going to hopefully refund the money that we gave him. So naka-refund na siya ng 2,000, kulang pa siya ng 2,800. No, actually 2,000. There you go. Patay na. 2,000 na lang ata yung kulang niya kasi nag-refund na siya. So, I'm happy na hindi niya. Medyo tumatakbo pa rin siya. Pero, ay nako, hindi ko talaga hindi ko siya hindi ko siya tinantuhan. Oh my goodness, I kept on calling him. Like, in one day, mga 8 times akong nagko-call sa kanya. Tapos, the other night, nako, kahit na alas 3 ng umaga, sabi ko, tatakutin natin siya. Tatawagan ko siya ng 3 o'clock. Kasi yung phone niya, guys, i-off niya. So, yung call ko goes immediately to the voicemail. So, like, this guy. So, tinawagan ko siya alas 3 ng madaling araw. Guys, gusto ko talaga ng plant na ito, Gabi. Gabi ito tinatawag sa amin. And here in America, I think we call that elephant ears or I don't know kung anong tawag doon. But, kaya lang, they are annuals. Namamatay sila pag winter time. So, parang nagtatapon ka lang ng pera pag bibilhin mo yun. But anyway, ito yung asawa ko. Naghahanap kami ng tiles. Alam niyo yung tiles na in-install ko sa kusina. And doon sa threshold, ukay-ukay yun. We bought that for probably $30. Tapos, inaubusan kami. Wala kaming extra. With my husband. So, yun lang yung nakaporke guys. Yun lang yung naka-disadvantage if you will buy something from ukay-ukay sa atin. Kasi, pag hindi kasya yung nabili mo, syempre maghahanap ka ng additional Minsan hindi ka minsan hindi ka nakakakita ng exactly ganoong design, ganoong color, etc. etc. So yun ang problema namin kasi yung tiles doon sa aming kusina ay okay and we got that at very almost nothing price. Tapos ngayon hindi kasya, kulang. So anong gagawin natin? Naghahanap kami dito sa mga hardware stores, wala. one hardware store down. So hanap pa kami ng iba, but unfortunately pag wala kaming makita na ganung classic na tiles, then mapipilitan kaming gumamit ng ibang klaseng tiles. Oh. So yun, punta na naman kami sa isang hardware store. Sana makahanap kami ng exactly the same, otherwise it's going to be a big problem. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, na hindi ka makakahanap ng exactly the same color, the same texture. Ito it's a little bit darker than what we have in the house. Tapos ito naman gray, tapos yung texture niya hindi tama. So what are we going to do now? Oh my goodness. Yan ang napala mo sa pabili mo ng ukay-ukay. Nakakasave ka nga, kaya lang kulang di halo-halo yung mo, halo-halo yung tiles mo. Ay, Filipina Carpentera in America. Guys, tingnan niyo yan. Yan yung mga shelves dito. Rinalagyan ng mga lawnmower mo at saka garden supplies, etc. Alam niyo kung ano yung na-imagine ko dyan? Maliit na bahay. Guest house doon sa likod. I-insulate lang yan, my goodness. Ito na naman, counting bahay. Taka lang, papasok ako. 1 second, board. Pasok ako, tapos little bathroom here. Bathroom and shower. Yan. Tapos dito kusina. And then
You get a 16 by 12
huh?
now.
And then
This is a 10 by 12. You can get a 16 by 12.
yeah. And then couch here. And then TV dyan. A little toilet here. And then a little stand-up shower.
Let's go. Because the viewers, we have to get going. That's what
Yeah. My gosh, kung wala akong makita, ano ba yan? Yan ang cute. I love that.
Is this it? Or is it?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you, Lord. Ito na, nakita ko ng wait.
To get one that's rolled up already. Huh? Why don't you get a rolled up one already?
What? How about that one here? Oh, okay. So, tingnan nyo yung mga roses. Ang ganda-ganda, guys. So, and it's $28.90. Sometimes magiging $35, but now it's $28.98. Pero yung nabili ko, yung mga gano'n na klase, kasi 3 years old na siya at well established na siya, nasa $50 na yun. I think yung mga $50 na nasa loob, but I think I took a video of those kind of roses in the past na tag $50. But yan po yung mga yan, kasi skinny pa sila, 28. Tapos pag lalaki na sila, yun nagiging 30, 35. Tapos yung established na talaga, nagiging 50 na. But yung favorite ko is yan. Sabi ko kay Cory, bili tayo niyan. Sabi niya, wag muna, baba. Oh well. You're looking for what? 159. I can just get that.
47.
It's on sale for 47?
I don't know which one it is, so I can't read anything.
Clearance.
Yeah, which one? The bottom or the top one?
Model item number 259.
259 2342? Is that 2342 or what?
Yeah, 2342. Yeah, why don't you grab while it's still in there?
But for what though?
Huh?
For what?
Later on for downstairs.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, just grab one.
I don't have the money to spend.
Remember, I wanted to buy you that. Imagine from 108. Oh my gosh, it's more than 50%. The 159 are.
Regularly what? 189?
Yeah, it was 189 and then went down to one. No, they're probably like discontinuing that product. Ito yung nakaano dito, guys, kasi paiba-iba yung mga presyo. Kaya sometimes if magko-compare ako sa aking mga ukay-ukay, like for example sa aking jacuzzi tub, sometimes sasabihin ko na 3,000 plus, sometimes sabihin ko na 2,800 kasi kaiba-iba yung presyo. But yung jacuzzi tub ko, napakita ko sa inyo previously, 3,000 plus yung yung original, pinaka-original price, binaba nila na 2,800. O, siya. The next video, sasabihin ko na naman na 2,800. Ay, nako. Basta kay hindi ako nagsinungaling guys na ganun kalaki yung aking savings. Yan na naman, mga bahay ko na gagawin in the future. Mga shed guys na pwedeng pang bachelor pad. Daming lamok dito. So puputulin ko yung mga patay na mga bulaklak dyan na roses so that they will give way to new buds. I'm so excited. Oh, daming lamok. Oh, pala, the gate. For all your love can make a way. Oh, for love the heavens cried. For love was crucified. Oh, how many times have I broken your heart? Still you forgive. Only I ask. And how many times have you heard me pray? Draw near to me. Everything I need is you. My beginning, my forever. Oh, daming lamok. Everything I need is you. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Yayo! Yeah. Tapos ito, sabi niya, burgundy daw ito. Yung napaka-red ba na parang blood pero may pagka-itim, almost maitim na siya na pagka-red. So I can't wait until this thingy would bud up. Come on! Bumulaklak ka na. Isira ang bulaklak. Ganda, diba? Tapos ito is parang reddish na may white accent. And those over there, yeah, no, that's pink. Okay. Tapos ko nang magdilig ng mga halaman. So now what we're going to do is balik tayo sa ating carpentera. By the way, yan yung ginawa ni Dan today. Tapos hopefully matapos na yan bukas. And then the rest of the wall will be covered with the blue siding. So yan, accent lang yung mga bato na yan. What are you doing?
Yeah, I think I'm done with that part. Man, that just takes so much
Hold on.
out of me.
How about the bottom? That's a lot of work there.
Yeah, that's not been grout. I mean, we gotta grout that. And
Why wouldn't you go in? Ewan ko kung anong nangyari, bakit ayaw niya pumasok. Okay. May extra space. Guys, bigyan ko kayo ng sneak peek ng aking chandelier dito sa office. Parang siya, spaceship siya. Tapos yung engineer namin guys, contact siya kay Corey. Sabi niya, very complicated daw yung pag-install nito. Nahihirapan daw siya kasi akala niya ordinary chandelier lang yung namin sa aming bahay. Never did he know na mga ganito palang chandelier. So na siya, nag-i-ache na siya. Sabi niya, it's so difficult. Kawawa yung asawa ko kasi hindi niya dadala yung eyeglass niya kaya hindi niya makita kung paano install yung globe dyan. But I kind of like it because the color of the globes rhymes with the color of this room. Tapos, nagtataka si Cory, like he really likes it. Yun sana yung gagamitin namin. Walang hardwares daw. Tapos sabi ng engineer, hindi, napakahirap niyan. Nahirapan siya nito. Kompleto nga ng hardware, napakakuti naman. Napaka-tedious. So yun, but anyway, I think Cory likes this better than that one. But anyway, sneak peek lang po yan at ipakita ko sa inyo ang final reveal later on when this room is ready. Thank you! Yan na ang bahay namin. Second night na kumpleto na yung mga roses ko. I did not close the door.
I gotta turn it off then.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo si Cory o pababa. Yan. Yan kababa yung ano namin. Topography namin dito sa bahay. Kaya careful ka talaga. Oop.